Great paper in the large language model space named Reducing Hallucination in Structured Outputs via Retrieval-Augmented Generation. The team implemented a Retrieval-Augmented Generation (RAG) approach, where a retriever suggests relevant steps and table names based on the user's natural language input. These suggestions are then incorporated into the LLM prompt to guide the generation of the structured JSON output representing the workflow. Hallucinations, where the model generates non-existent elements, are a significant concern in generative AI, especially for tasks requiring high accuracy like workflow automation. By leveraging RAG, the paper demonstrates a method to address this by ensuring that the generated JSON objects are plausible and executable, reflecting actual elements that could logically stem from the input requirements. The paper details a practical deployment scenario where RAG was applied to convert natural language descriptions into workflow automations. This application is particularly relevant in enterprise settings where users may not have the technical expertise to manually script these workflows. A small, domain-tuned retriever is used in conjunction with a larger language model. This setup not only improves the generation quality but also reduces the computational resources required, as the smaller retriever can effectively narrow down the necessary information the larger model needs to process. The system's performance was rigorously tested through a series of experiments designed to assess its ability to handle real-world applications. These tests included scenarios both within and outside of the training domain, out-of-domain scenarios, ensuring the model's robustness and versatility.